compromise. Educating you without compromise. Action.
Good day, pupils at home. Welcome back to our online class. Today we'll be looking at, this is Gladys Akwe. We'll be looking at another subject, Information and Communication Technology, which is also known as ICT. Now, on the subject ICT, we'll be looking at the topic computer games. Many of us are used to computer games. I know we like this topic when we talk about games with our phone, games with our laptops at home. We'll be glad. Auntie, I know about it. All right, what is computer game? Computer games are games installed in a computer for relaxation after using the computer for a long time. After we have used our computers, our phones for a long time, we need to relax. We need to take our time from work. What do? We go to our games, we open the games and we use it for relaxation for some time. I know most of us during this holiday we've been doing a lot of games, downloading a lot of games from from online, playing them, experimenting many. I'm happy about that and I know you are also happy. Examples of computer game. I know you can give me many examples of computer games. But for the class of this evening, I will just mention but few, which I know you know more than I do when it comes to game. All right, the first game we have on the board is Super Solitaire, which we know is a game that we can play very well when we want to relax, when we want to have fun, we play it. Another type of game that we have here is the Super Mario. I know we can play. Some persons are the best in this game. I know you are happy. I am the best. I can play. Wow. Now, the next game we have here on the board is the Scrabble. I believe when we resume, some of you are going to compete for Scrabble, and I know some of you are going to win. You are going to do very well. Now, Scrabble, we know is a game that helps us in spelling. It's a kind of game that we use during our relaxation. We also have the test drive. Many of us, I know, we can drive, even when we cannot drive on the street, but with this game, we have driven many types of cars, and I'm happy about that. Keep it up. It's one of the things that we can learn from. Now, another example of computer game is the Prince. I know we are good in this. Then we have the Dave, and many more that we have on our computer game list. What are the importance of computer game? Why do we even play computer game? Do we just play computer game to waste our time, or we play computer game just to make mommy and daddy to shout? Why do we play? Why do we need to play computer game? One of the reasons why we should play computer game, or we play computer game, is for relaxation. Just to relax. When you don't want to do anything, you don't want to stress your brain, just take your game, sit at a corner or by the chair, by chair in your house or your bed, and you are relaxed, you are playing your game. All right. Another importance of computer game is to learn new and exciting things. Now, I know most of us have played lots of games during these holidays, and I guess you have learned a lot. And as soon as we are back to school, I'm expecting to hear new things that you learned through your game, new ideas, new developments that you've gotten through the games you have played. If you are playing any game and you are not learning anything new from it, I think that game does not worth it. I hope you believe so. Now with this, we have come to the end of the topic computer game. But before we close, I want to ask us, what is computer game? Can you still remember what I said is computer game? We said computer games are games installed in the computer for relaxation after using the computer for a long time. And examples of computer games are Super Solitaire, Super Mario, Scrabble, Test Drive, Prince, Dave. Okay, if I want to play my computer game, what do? That is what we want to look at now. what I should do is, first of all, I will have to start my computer. That is, switching on the computer. If I'm using my phone, if I must play game with my phone, I must do what? Switch on my what? My phone. If my phone is off, I can't play my game. If my computer system is off, I can't play my game. So you must switch on the computer gadgets, which includes the monitor, the system unit, the speaker, the UPS. Then with this, we are gradually getting set to play game. After that, what do I do next? Click on the start and move the mouse pointer to all programs. That is when you are using a computer system to play your game. When you move to all programs, you click on all programs, and many items will display. You check, what do we want to do? We want to play game. You click on what? Games. And select the type of game. When you click on game, you see several games. I know we have already installed many games in our system. You click on the game that you want to play. And as soon as you do that, we are good to go in playing our game. With this, we have come to the end of today's class. Please do your assignment, copy your notes, and forward the answers of your assignment to the platform. Remain blessed and obedient. Have a nice day.
Educating you without compromise.